What's up YouTube? Mr. Schmilly here again for another video. And so we're continuing the Power Rangers Lightning Collection line with this Dragon Shield Black Ranger, which was a Walgreens exclusive. This is the one with the shield. They released one later on without the shield, and pretty much the same figure except for the head sculpt. The head sculpt changed and the blaster changed. But let's look at the box, check the figure out, and let's do that. So, Zach with the Dragon Shield. Power Rangers Lightning Collection, Dragon Shield Black Ranger. The art right there with the shield. The art right there also with the shield. The product shot. Warnings in other languages. The jibber jabber. That's it. It's a black top. No, it's a Black Ranger. Let's get him out the box and take a closer look. Alright, now that he's out the box, let's take a look at what he comes with. This blast effect. It's pretty cool. It's kind of piercing shot or blast. Pretty sure this is supposed to be more for the combined form, or I forgot what it's called, but when all the Rangers combine their weapons together. Should be nice. I forgot what this is called also. Like, I don't think it's a power blaster. Is it a power blaster? Don't remember. Oops, shaking the camera. Don't remember exactly what this is or what it's called. I know what it is, but it was like the more from the gun to a little dagger for all of them. But don't remember what it's called. Pretty cool. You got 2 extra hands. Karate chopping hand. And the fisted hand. And of course, his power axe with the mastodon on there. I think it's missing some paint. Yeah. For the most part, it's just black plastic painted on, I think. And it does shift over like that. Like I said, later on to form that. Oh, I forgot what it's called. The combined form of all the weapons. It's a little warped, that's fine. You could put this on there. This gives me an idea of something later on. And you also have that sculpt. It looks like Zach, like again, like close but no good. I guess you could see it at a distance maybe. But they attempt it. They try. Yeah, they tried. Just to know what's happening with them, you know. That's fine. You need a human head anyway. The figure itself. Is it fully accurate? I don't know. I don't remember. It's been a while. But I see the Black Ranger. I think it's a Black Ranger. The shield. It's not really gold again. It's more yellowish tone. This is more gold than this. To be the power coin is alright. You can tell it's a mastodon, right? And for the most part, it's just the other Ranger bodies with black. That's all it is. Diamonds right there. Cool. Now I'll actually put them down. Now I want to try. Bring up my buddy Optimus. Why is there a transformer here? Because I wanted to check out this blast effect and see if it fit. And it does. So if you have some transformers, probably work with them. Check out, I think, what is it, a 5mm port? Something like that. That works. Pretty cool. So, one Optimus for. Yeah. Alright. back to this. Let's swap that head out. Alright, not too bad. Get it on there. Alright, there we go. And like I said before, there is another Black Ranger that was released without the shield. And he has the Season 2 head, I think. Which looks better. Honestly, they both look bad. But they work, I guess, from a distance, or squint your eyes. It's something. So, switch back that head. There we go. And for articulation, for articulation. Again, the shield's limiting, but I don't think that goes too far back. And smooth, and then the rest is there. And again, no waist, nothing on the waist. But it's all the same body, so I might start just not really worrying about what's there, because there's been, what, 2 figures that's been gone through? But yeah, they share the same body, so it's no surprise what's there already. Alright, so I mean, let's do some size comparisons. Not too many, just a few. And here you have your comparison with a female body, another male ranger, and Lord Zed. So it looks like the male rangers are the same height, or will be the same height. It's the same body, except for the female body and the monster bodies, I guess, if you want to call it Lord Zed. So, if you like what you saw, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a like. And if you didn't like what you saw, give me a dislike. That's okay. Just tell me what I need to do to improve and comment down below. But either way, thanks for watching. Blam, blam, blam.